Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can recover your disabled Facebook account. It's pretty simple. First, you want to search on your Google browser for security disable FB. Once you search for security disable FB on your browser, the first option where it says security disable, click on it. Now once you click on it, it'll bring you to this page. Over here at the first, you want to enter your email address. So it says the email address or mobile phone number listed on the disable account. So whichever email you used on your account creation time of your Facebook, enter that. Do not enter a random email, alright? After you enter the email which is linked with your account, enter the full name of your Facebook account. So after entering your full name of your Facebook account over here, what you want to do is click on send. Once you click on send, this report will be sent to Facebook. Now once this report is sent to Facebook, what you want to do is search for this. Report FB issue with homepage. Now once you search for this, what you want to do is scroll a bit down and click on this option where it says report an issue with homepage or newsfeed. Click on it. Once you click on it, it'll bring you to this page. Over here on subject, you want to write this: my account got disabled. Once you write this over here on contact email, write the email which you have access with, because in this email Facebook will send you a link through which you guys can undisable your account and recover it. So write the email over here which you have access to, and over here just describe your issue. So you can just write this: my FB account got disabled for no reason, can you help me fix it? After you write this, you want to click on send, and this issue will be sent to Facebook. Facebook staff will view it and they'll reply to you on your email and help you fix your issue. So that's how we guys can recover your disabled Facebook account. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.